Hello, welcome back to Capsim Capstone 2024-2025, the top 10 winning tips. This detailed video shows the details guide tip for round now. To get round 5, to get the top result, I show you the detail now. So you see on the screen, we have developed a new product from round 1, 2 and 3. We have 3 new products here, and now we have top sale and top profit. You see that we are here, we have top sales here, 276 million. Much higher than own competitors, and now we get 27% of market share, so it's quite easy. We have 8 products and all of them lead the market segment, right? The details here you can see. For the traditional segment, we have 2 products leading the market share here, right? So leading control the market with 28%, and low end we have 2 products here, right? 31% of market share. And for the performance, the new product, right? New product here just going up, but we get 36% of market share, top product here, right? So on the other, for the high end and size, we also have good selling product. The size segment here, you see that 28%. And for the high end here, we need to improve a little bit the stock out, right? So now we just update the product, right? Just update the product. Before that, I show you the top 10 winning tips for each round, right? You can apply for own round from 1 to 8. So check the other video for the guide and tip the detail from round 1 to round 4. If you cannot find that, send the email to mbasim.ferris@gmail.com. So now you see on the screen the top 10 winning tips. Use the industry condition report. Use the free Excel file to calculate IND and update IND. I show you to update IND now. So again, always check the industry condition report to see the number of your game. Game may start differently with different numbers, so you check this report. And then you prepare the Excel file like this, or you can download the free Excel file under this video to calculate for your game. Do not copy the number, because number may be different from student to student, different from game to game. I show you the strategy. You can use that for own game. So you see that we update the product like we do on the screen. And then for the low end, we keep that update 2 times for low end in round 3 and round 7. For the high end, we update now, right? 12.5 and 7.5. And for the performance, we update that you see on the screen, right? And for the size we update to 7.5 and 5.6. Now new low end, we keep that. Now for the new traditional, we update to 8.5, 11.5, and for the new performance, 14.4 and 12.5. So that's the way we update the IND of each round. Remember, we can apply this strategy for your game. Check the number, check the revision date to make sure the right time to sell the new product, right? And now I show you the other winning tip. So you see we add a new product in round 1, 2 and 3. We set the prices, calculate the sales forecast in marketing, and calculate the production schedule. I show you now. So now we move to marketing. Now we move to marketing. Here, because we are having top selling product, I show you one time more. So traditional here, we see that we have top selling product here. And then we get the good price here, not the lowest price, but the best price still sell very well, right? We have the best price leading the market, and also for the low end here, we have the best price leading the market, even higher than price of competitors. And here we have the best price also. And for the performance here, to lead the market with even higher than price and competitors. And here that's right. Also we lead the market. So we just reduce the price by 50 cents, right? 27.5, 18.5, we do that, right? Okay, that's we reduce the price. You can keep track of that by using the free Excel file download under this video, right? Or send the email, I send you the Excel file, it's okay, right? So we set the price for round 5 here, right? We double check that the price here we can reduce by 50 cents, or you can even reduce 50 cents further to sell much better. If you want, you can try that, but this price is okay, right? Or if you want to sell better, you can reduce the price by one more, 37, 32. If you do this, you can increase sales a lot and have much higher sale and profit in this round. Okay, so we double check that, right? You see, okay, we should do that from round 4 and round 5. It's okay. And now we check the promotion and sale of this product to see if they reach 100% of customer awareness and accessibility, right? You see our product here 100% is okay. We can reduce that to 100%, we can reduce that back to 1,400. You see that 1,400 to save some promotion cost. Yeah, nearly 2,000 for that. And now most important to calculate the sales forecast here. The system suggests here, but we don't use that. We calculate based on this number. Unit result here, inventories here. So we use unit result here and inventory to calculate the sales forecast and production schedule. So we use Excel file again to calculate that. I show you how to do that, right? So we use two set of number here. Here the unit result from last round, and inventories here. We calculate the sales forecast here, and also we have production here. We have some inventories here, our inventory, so we can use much better. Add about 30 or 50% to avoid stock out in the next round. Now we have the sales forecast, so we just input into that, right? We multiply the unit result by the segment growth and add about 30%, right? 2,321, and then we have that. So we have this for the new low end, right? We see new low end. Okay, and then that's for the sales forecast. And now we see the new, and now we have the production schedule, add new capacity, increase automation. Now I show you the details, right? So we go to the production to we have the sales forecast here, we have the inventory here. So, and you input the production schedule, or you can use the sales forecast and the Excel file here to calculate faster, right? 2142. Just use this number, sales forecast deduct inventories. Here we get the production schedule, right? 3838. And for the new low end, for the new traditional, and for the new performance, right? We double check because it's very important, right? So this is very important. We check that. Now we can calculate to check if we can have enough capacity to produce. If we don't have enough capacity, we need to buy more. All of the here 200%, 200% of capacity. So we need to buy more capacity, right? Before that, we increase automation, right? So that's new automation. We check this one, and now we spend the rest of the budget for the increase of capacity, right? This one we see that we need 300 more. We need 300 more. We need 400 more, and we need much more, right? Maybe 300 more. We need 300 more. Okay, we check if we have enough budget for this one. That's a big expansion of production. So we have enough budget for that, right? So we still have more, so we buy more 500 here for the new capacity, right? And we adjust the production schedule 2,800. The max we can produce 1,600. That's for the decision of production, right? For the decision of production, you see we still have some budget here, but it's okay. We can increase more next time, or you can buy 600 here if you want. Use all the budget we have here. On the budget we have here for that, right? 82, right? So now we said decision for the HR, right? For HR, from 5 to 8 is simple. Use the max recruitment budget and training hour, 80 hours, 5,080 hours. For the finance, around 5, we start going to pay some dividends here. We use some short term, we use some long term. We don't issue the stock here, we pay some dividends, right? If you want, we can start buying back the stock here, right? 9,700 if you want. Buy back the stock to increase the stock price, pay dividend to increase the stock price. So we still have enough budget here. And now for the finance TQM, we set around 1,000 for all. 1,000 for all, right? So now you see that's quite simple if you did the right decision for our one. And now we check the So performer income, we are going to have very high sales here, and nearly 50% of contribution margin, 50% of net profit, much higher than last round, much higher than last. You see a big improvement. Last round we get 270, now we get 420, increase 150 million, and profit from 14 increased to 64, big jump of profit, right? So remember that round 5, 6, 7 and 8 we always have top 7 top profit, like you see on the screen. We update the product, we set marketing decision, marketing, reduce the price, increase promotion and sales, update the production. We update the production by adding new capacity, increase automation, right? And HR, finance, QM, we will get the top result. So round 5, 6, 7 and 8 are quite the same, because we now lead the market with top 7 top profit. We will go up the stock price like this in round 5, and you can see the top 10 winning tips, industry condition report, Excel file, update R&D, add new product in round 1, 2, 3. That's for R&D. Set prices, calculate the sales forecast for the marketing, calculate production, add new capacity, increase automation for production, and finance, use 2 or 3 forces from round 1, 2 and 3. So you can see that we will get the top result. So I show you all the strategy to win Capsim with top result, so you know that understanding the game is equally important to winning the game. Each round I have show you what decision to make for each round, what reports you read, what part of the report you read, what part is more important than the other part. You win 50% if you understand this. How to update the product, what is long-term strategy to win, how to set prices, the basis to set the price, how to calculate the sales forecast. You win 80% of market share if you understand all. If you don't, you send the question, right? How to set decision for production and how to set decision for HR, finance and QM, you win 99% of the game. If you still want to have the support for all the rounds, and you can win, you can view the results and learn from that. You can also get the report for each round, understanding, explaining, listen for all decision, and Q&A for WhatsApp to answer the question, video guide, explanation for all decision of each round. You send the email to wincapsim2012@gmail.com. And now you see the result of round 5. You see the result of round 5. We have the top sale, top profit, much higher than all competitors with 33% of market share. We also see stock price, we near 2 times higher than the second competitors with 91 over 45, right? We will go up, you see on the screen. So for Capsim, round 1, 2, 3 very important. Round 1, 2, 3 very important. You can see if we did right strategy from round 1, we get the sale increase like this for 8 round, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 going up like that. So if you have any question, you send the email. If you have any question, just overview of round decision for round 5 here. So if you have any question, you just send the email to mbasim.faris@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Thank you for watching.